Okay, what is going on, everybody? Just want to make a quick video to help you guys on how to fix a problem with the Astros headsets. Now, one problem could be that in the video output you have it on. You can't even see. Whoa. On the video outputs, there's a in and an out. You need to put it on the in, and then now you could try syncing it back to with the headset in the mix amp or whatever. Now the thing that helped me out that might help everybody out is if you bought a new TV or something, got an HDMI cable, if you go to sound settings, hold up. Come on, man. Now if you go to sound settings, this might be turned off if you got a new TV or HDMI cable. If you turn that on, that means you can hear out of your TV and out of any headsets or whatever, blah blah blah. That was off for mine, so when I don't know why it was turned off, so I thought that might be a problem with everybody. If this video helps anybody out, just give me a like or favorite or something. If you still have problems, just comment, message me, and I'll try to help you. Alright guys, thanks for watching.